tracksuits to perfume to jeans to makeup, and filled up a container, sent it to Sweden. And at that time, we had actually no space to live. So when we bought a container full of tracksuits, you had to move the bed away, put the mattress on the boxes, and sleep above the boxes actually. I knew nothing about anything, and I just wanted to do some business. So when I was coming back from Lebanon, a friend of mine gave me 5 watches, and he said, you know what, take these 5 watches, see if you can sell them. So it was the only thing I put in my pocket, didn't know what it cost. And I sold 2 watches for 50 euro each. And I decided at that moment, I'm gonna be the king of watches in this country. And yeah, eventually I became. We are employing 1,500 people. We're running around 260 stores nowadays. And we're growing, we're opening a lot of stores. We have planned to open at least 20, 25 stores every year in the future. When I was selling in the free market, I decided already then, my next car would be a Rolls Royce. It took me 35 years to achieve that dream, really. I wanted to buy a bespoke Phantom. My theme is flowers and roses, and I wanted to have it everywhere. So at the end, we succeeded to make flowers everywhere in the car, in the doors, in the ceiling, and the blue color from the outside was chosen from my daughter Magnolia. She helped me to pick up that color, and I loved it. It became an amazing piece of art, and I will never, never, never sell this car.